Hi everybody, hope you're having a great morning. Today is Wednesday, May 6th. We have our decision making slide 30. Same as we have been doing, you have your 3 solutions and your choices of 3 positive and 3 negative outcomes. You are working at Target. Before leaving, you notice that the door is not shut all the way. Your first choice, you leave without shutting the door. Second, you make sure the door is closed all the way before leaving. Third, before leaving, tell your boss manager about the door being open. So our positive outcomes, you leave on time, the store stays safe and the problem is fixed, the store stays safe. Our negative outcomes, take a little more time to leave, but not much. The door stays open and something bad happens, or you leave work really late. So go ahead and fill in the chart as you think it needs to be. If you need help, please contact me or Miss S, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.